Ex-husband of Madueke, the former minister of petroleum under Goodluck Jonathan, that is now facing trial in United Kingdom. The husband has come out now to take action against the woman to stop bearing his name. All right. Ex-husband of former petroleum minister seeks court order to stop Deziani Madueke from using his name. I'm sure this man is fed up and cannot bear it anymore. This woman has dragged the name of the family in the mud so long and has actually abandoned this man for many years because they are not living together. Even while she was the minister of Federal Republic of Nigeria, she also was not actually effectively marrying this man. This man has been down on different kinds of illness since after retirement and has been suffering alone in the southeast. And meanwhile, this woman is cruising her life as if she's not married but still bearing the family name. So with all of this, the man has now come out to take an action to stop her from bearing his name. Okay, this one, wow. Ex-husband of former petroleum minister seeks court order to stop Deziani Madueke from using his name, and that is the retired General Alison Madueke. Admiral Alison Amaichina Madueke has filed a petition at a Lagos State High Court seeking a legal action, to end his marriage to Deziani Alison Madueke and a court order for her to stop using his name. The former chief of naval staff argues that Deziani's continued use of his name, despite their marriage being legally dissolved, harms his reputation and may lead to unintended consequences, including mistaken liabilities. Exactly. So Madueke stated that Deziani filed for divorce at the Nasarawa State High Court in November 2021, citing irreconcilable differences and seeking a formal end to their marriage. He did not contest the divorce suit, leading to the court's dissolution of their marriage. However, that is 2021. However, Deziani continues to use his surname despite the formal end of their marriage. Can you imagine? So already they have been divorced since 2021 in the Nasarawa court. So why did Deziani not stop bearing Alison Madueke's name? So he said on April 13, 2022, Honorable Justice A.A. Ozegia delivered a judgment in suit number NSD MG Magistrate Court 345-2021, dissolving our marriage on the ground that it had broken down irretrievably. So the dissolution of marriage had become absolute by operation of law. Despite the legal finalization of the divorce, the respondent continues to use the petitioner's name, Alison Madueke, without consent or justification. So for over 2 years, the respondent has been using the petitioner's name, causing him embarrassment. Madueke disclosed that his legal team served Deziani a formal request on December 14, 2023, demanding she stop using his surname and revert to her maiden name, Agama. However, Deziani has ignored this legal notice and continues to use his name. So the petition stated, despite the dissolution of their marriage, the respondent still represents herself as the petitioner's wife. The respondent is facing criminal trials in Nigeria and the United Kingdom. The Nigeria case is suit number FUC ABI-CR 208-2010. So the respondent faces public allegations of corruption and financial misconduct with ongoing trials. So the respondent's continued portrayal as the petitioner's spouse is causing embarrassment and damaging the petitioner's reputation, integrity, and public image. So the respondent's use of the petitioner's full name falsely implies an ongoing relationship, despite its legal end. So the respondent's use of the petitioner's name poses a significant risk of legal and financial harm. So the thing here, the petitioner's request, which is Alison Madueke, request the court's intervention to stop the respondent from using their name, protecting their image, personality, and reputation. Madueke seeks a permanent injunction to stop Deziani from using his name after their divorce. He also seeks a court order for Deziani to revert to her maiden name and publicly announce in Nigeria and UK newspapers that she no longer uses his surname. Exactly. This thing is very bad, and they are putting the children of this family into a very serious psychological trauma. Eh? The children of Alison Madueke and Deziani Madueke is a problem. Now the marriage has been dissolved since 2021, but Deziani does not want to stop bearing the name. Why? Because she has made gained fame with the name, and she doesn't want to drop it. She should be forced to drop it. That is it. If the marriage has been dissolved, she has no right to continue to bear the name. Okay. And then the comment section, somebody is saying, when she was Minister of Petroleum, you people are showing us example of good couple. Today, you people are telling us how to move from certain region to not to file for divorce. Love is business in Africa. What are you saying now? Deziani has spoiled the name of Alice Madueke badly, and that is true. Shana for better, for worse, Unadu. They're not divorced now. They have already divorced, and now the matter, she should stop bearing his name because the case has been concluded in court. And some say if you no longer want the man, you should also no longer keep his name. You can't eat your cake and still have it, madam. The shame you brought to that name is enough, and that is true. The shame is just too much. When she was in oil money, you didn't say this, sir. Leave her with the name. At least remember you once loved her. So what are you saying? Well, no, it's not the woman that even first of all filed the divorce. So you need to follow history. The woman in 2021 filed a divorce, which the man did not contest, and the marriage was properly divorced. So why did she not also stop using the man's name? That is the question. As I always say, greedy old woman, and I thought I would fire you for squandering the public fund. And she should even return all the money beginning from when she became a minister. What money? When he became a minister, where they actually married, was the woman funding the family. For better, for worse, if the worst never come, the best thing ever in marriage is peace. If there was no peace, it is to separate. What are you saying? What are you saying? If it was Deziani Alice Madueke that has cases in court, don't Deziani Agama Lizard. Sorry, not Deziani Agama Lizard. Sorry, Oga Alison. Be patient a bit and let the court finalize the whole issue before you take away your name. The case has been concluded already. You people should follow history. Okay, the case has been concluded in Zamfara court since 2021, and the marriage has been divorced properly. It's just that the woman has just refused to stop using his name, which by now she should have stopped using his name. So that is exactly what is happening here. Thank you for listening. Let's have your comment over the court case that Alice Madueke has filed against Deziani for bearing his name after they have been properly divorced by Nigerian court.